Can't say I didn't warn you. These next images are gross.
Both of the upstairs bathrooms had a good amount of moisture damage from leaky faucets that were never addressed and wax seals on the toilets that had failed. We called in some pros to help us with the troubleshooting as well as the steps of remediation. We wore full PPE and demoed the whole room pretty much, minus the tub that was able to stay. But when we pulled away the vanities, the press board was so damaged from moisture that it disintegrated. We removed all the flooring, removed the drywall that was affected, as well as insulation, and then went through the steps to use RMR Mold Killer, and then later RMR Stain Blocker as well. Only one of the rooms did we have to pull up some of the subfloor. The other rooms were nice and solid. So this one, it was 2 layers of 1.5 inch subfloor. We were able to just pull up one and a little bit around the toilet and then put down a new one, which I was super excited because that meant that I didn't feel like I was going to fall to the lower level anymore. After we went through all those steps and were really confident that we had gotten the mold under control and removed, we then coated everything with a layer of Kilz. This was to help kind of seal it in and make sure that no future moisture could affect what was there before. It was also quite satisfying to see it all turn white after so many really weeks. This was a really long process of seeing the floor look so gross. So keep watching. I'm excited for you to see the final transformation and see how we do the rest of the house.